Sad but true. The reading skill level of the country's children, those from kindergarten to third grade, is at learning poverty or crisis stage. A status quo the government seeks to turn around by lifting out kids from the learning to read phase to reading to learn level by way of providing them ample reading materials and shepherding them in reading classes. Our J.M. Thompson has more.
The distribution of storybooks, school bags and supplies began today at Taytay Elementary School in Taytay, Rizal, and in various schools across the country. Department of Education or DepEd Assistant Secretary Silet Liboroco and Office of the Executive Secretary Yusik Georgina Hernandez Yang were present, together with partners who donated the reading materials.
I think it's also still part of the whole of government initiative to address the learning poverty, the learning crisis, and ensure that our children, especially those at the early grades, yung mga kinder to grade 3, ay magkaroon ng love for reading.
The program aims to provide learning materials for kinder to grade 3 pupils. Currently, more than 6 million students are enrolled in Key Stage 1. This is said to be the critical stage where students transition from learning to read to reading to learn. This is one of the government's programs to address the problem when it comes to children's reading skills.
Makakatulong ito doon sa ating mga mag-aaral, especially doon sa mga struggling readers. Magkakaroon na po sila ng mga gamit at magkakaroon na din ng mga reference materials o reading materials na magagamit. Ito po ay bilang kanila ding suporta doon sa aral program ng Department of Education.
Ani Almario of Adarna House, one of the government's partners that donated books, also believes that attention should be given to students at a very young age to hone and develop their reading abilities.
Dahil alam naman natin na merong literacy crisis ngayon sa ating bansa, kaya napakahalaga na makatulong tayo sa mga bata para mas matuto silang magbasa at mas mahalin nila ang pagbasa. So itong pag-donate namin ng storybooks, palagay ko parang maliit lang to na effort sa amin para makatulong na ma-solve natin ang crisis na ito.
The distribution of school bags and storybooks also took place simultaneously today in other schools, such as Dawan Central Elementary School in Mate City and Mandaue City Central School in Mandaue City. DepEd will ensure that this program continues so that efforts to help students learn faster will also remain uninterrupted. J.M. Thompson for The Nation.